Removing app icons from your iPhone 16's home screen helps declutter your display while keeping the apps accessible through the app library. Here's how to do it. First, navigate to the home screen and then locate the app icon you want to remove. Once found, touch and hold the app icon until the menu appears. From the menu options, tap on Remove App to proceed. Next, choose the option to remove from home screen. Be sure not to select Delete App, as this would uninstall the app completely from the device. Instead, select Remove from home screen to keep the app while hiding its icon. The app will then be deleted from the home screen but remain available in the app library. Simply swipe left to the last page or use the Spotlight search by swiping down on the home screen to search for the app. Should you wish to restore the app icon later, simply swipe left to access the app library, find the app, touch and hold the app icon, then select Add to Home Screen. This feature on your iPhone 16 is particularly useful for maintaining a clean and organized home screen while keeping all your apps easily accessible through the app library. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.